Hey guys, we're at Legacy Coach in Rockwall, Texas. Behind me is a 2002 Marathon double slide. Beautiful coach, and here's the great thing. It's priced at only $299,000. So we're gonna jump in, take a look at the base, take a look at the inside, show you all about this coach. It's a beauty. Guys, we're here at Legacy Coach. I want you to see how big this place is and how many coaches there are in here. It is absolutely huge.
Yes, we love coming here, checking everything out. And if you want to go ahead and subscribe, you can see more of our tours. We would love for you to be part of our journey. Give us a like and also give us a comment.
We're going to start on the outside bays now on the driver's side. And the big thing on the XL2s is even with your slides out, these bay doors can open. Unlike on the passenger side where they open up, they'll swing out over here. So we just take this big door, we open this guy up. Oh, I wish you could feel the weight and heft of this door and how smooth it is. It's wonderful. And look in the bay. Look at the side-to-side width on this, and the depth goes at least halfway back across the bus, if not completely across. A lot of space for storage, a lot of places to put all of your camping gear. All right, bay number 2. As we go in here, another very wide bay. This one's got a huge pass-through slide. It's manually operated. Come in here, pull this out, and it comes right on out. There's two or three different levels of extensions it'll go to. So look at the length of that, and if you see back in through here, that is a pass-through slide all the way out to the other coach, and it can be slid either way to the driver's side or over to the passenger side. And when you start to fill up these massive diesel tanks, you can do it from either side. There's a diesel fuel place right here, and then there's a matching one on the passenger side of the coach as well. Okay, we're at bay number 3 on the driver's side. When we open up, again, a very massive wide door. It has our water hose here on electric reel to pull things back. Again, very nice space. Typically right up in here is where you'll see your inverters stored at. Easy access to those to get worked on. This is one of my favorite bays on a Marathon conversion. This is the wet bay where all of your plumbing is. And they do something really smart that I like. They separate the hot and the cold, but beyond that, every section of the coach has got a valve, so I can turn off the kitchen, the dishwasher, the shower, the bath belly. Same thing on the cold side over here. That way you can isolate if there's a water problem, shut that section down, but still have water on the rest of the coach. Here we've got our gray tank drain, our black tank drain. These are automatic valves here and here. This is a manual safety valve that's been put on. If you were to have a stuck valve, you still got a cutoff. Large house water filter, and then you've got a black tank and a gray tank rinse right up here. Easy to get to. We're at the back engine compartment. You can see right into this big Detroit 60 that's in here. Gives you easy access into the side compartment. Your air filter's right over here. Some of your electronics down here. Alternator over there on the left. It's a good setup with easy access. Here's that big Detroit 60, and you can see it's in really good shape. Very clean, very well kept, maintained very well. It's even got a belt tensioner valve up here. You can turn that valve. What that will do is loosens these belts here and here so that if you were to have a belt break, you can take that thing off, put a new belt right on, go back up to your tensioner up here again, retighten it, and you're done. You don't have to go in the shop. You have to do very little to change a belt. I love these passenger side bays. Right here on the Prevost, as this door goes up, you can tell that's a bus. You come into this water bay, we've got dual water pumps, pressure tank, and look at the way this is done. Stainless steel wrapped lines, brushed stainless fronts. Out here on the exterior, they've just done a beautiful job of putting this together, and it's in great shape and will continue to work for a long time. In here we have the big pass-through bay that I was showing you earlier that goes from one side to another. Big wide tray, easy to access. Right here is your generator for the coach. It's an insulated compartment. It really muffles the sound. The sound's very low in the coach. And notice this is the farthest most bay to the front of the coach. Where are you sleeping? All the way to the back, guys. That is a great way to engineer this coach and easy access. So we'll go inside and see a little more.
Hey, welcome to the Prevost tour. This is a beautiful coach. Updated colors. We want to show you the whole tour. Come along, guys. Hey, welcome to the mid salon here, and this is a fabulous area. That front chair will wrap around, and that chair can be a part of the den. This is an oversized chair, and what I really also like about it, it's a working area. So you can put your laptop here, and what a great chair to sit in and get some work done, if that's what you need to do, or just relax. The bed over here is a jackknife, so that will fold down flat. It has a kind of a tube thing that will go in there to make it for really nice comfort for your guests that are coming. What I absolutely love about Prevost Marathons is these huge windows. You just don't realize how huge they are until you come into this coach. And when Zach and I were looking, that was probably what really set us apart from looking at production coaches, is just how huge a Prevost bus has in the windows. And so it really makes the den area very livable. You can see that this is a nice updated floor treatment, great colors, it's very current and very popular. And then it has a nice cabinetry here with the glasses that comes with it. What I also like about this coach is great storage, and the engineering is the fine craftsmanship. They have locks on them, so you're not going to lose anything as you go on down the road, but has the fabric on the inside. And then come around here, you can also see the magazine rack. That's really nice, besides having that area where you can pull out the shelf and be able to do your work, or you can eat a meal, whatever you want to do. That's just a really nice feature. This coach comes with updated electronics, and you get to have a pad as well. So that's really nice. They've really made some upgrades in this coach. And then also, there's just more cabinetry here, and it's all cloth lined, and that really makes it nice for anyone who's enjoying this large sofa. And then you get back here to the dining area, and it's great for 2 people, but you could fit in an extra few chairs if you had visitors, children, what have you, coming along. And with a Marathon, you can see that they're really good at putting in the control buttons. It's very easy to access. Wherever you're at in the coach, there's always going to be some buttons that are, you can turn the lights on, what have you. And then they have this beautiful china cabinet. That is a real classy feature for this particular coach as well. Well, a real feature of this coach is this is a brand new refrigerator that came through the front windshield. So all of that has been done for you. But it is a huge refrigerator. The bottom section is the freezer, but all brand new. That is really a nice feature. Another great benefit of a Marathon is I think of everything. Look at this cabinetry, and then this all pulls out. So whether you have canned goods, potato chips, what have you, soft drinks, but it's a double and a whole nother compartment that slides out of here too, and it's all fabric lined. So it really keeps the sound down, that things don't jiggle as you go down the road. Isn't that a great full-length mirror that you can enjoy? And that door separates the galley from the bathroom. So come on over here, guys, and check out this bathroom. It has beautiful slate on the back behind the sink, and then all the controls are right here too. And then this medicine cabinet, it has plenty of storage, and that is also all lined with carpet once again. So there's plenty of storage in this bathroom that you can see. Oh, look at that. There's a good place to have extra keys. The prior owner was pretty smart, knew where to tuck things away. And then there's also just so much storage. They make room for everything you can think of. And here is the toilet area right across, and has also additional storage in both cabinets in there. And that gives you lots of nice room for to have towels ready to access. But I also like on this shower, it's very large, and you can see there's plenty of room, and that is really a plush feature for a Prevost. Marathon does a very nice job. It's all updated type colors. And then the soap dispensers, that makes it nice that your soap is just ready to go when you're wanting to take a nice hot shower. Hey, you can see how much room there is in this shower. I mean, wow. And then there's a vent up above so you can get the humidity out of your shower as well. And I really do love these soap containers up on the wall. That's a great feature. And hey, if you need to sit down and shave your legs, this shower's got plenty of room for that. Isn't this so cool? Every Marathon is unique, but I love how this mirrored door also closes, and behind it is the washer and dryer. But that gives you privacy from the bathroom to the bedroom. So this Marathon has a nice sink in it. So it's going to have 2 sinks, which really is a very big benefit when you're traveling with family as well. But you can see all of the extra cabinetry that you can put towels, you can put your makeup, what have you. And look, there is a vanity sitting area. You can put a little vanity stool right here, and then you have all of this storage right above the medicine cabinets that line the wall. So this is another great feature with this mirrored door, is this wonderful closet. It has the rod up at the top so you can have your hanging clothes. You have plenty of storage with the cabinets below, and it even has a pull-through little maintenance spot. If you need to do any maintenance on your coach, it's readily accessible. Okay, and then behind this door, which is another wonderful mirrored door, is your stackable washer and dryer. And it's in great condition, but that is a really nice benefit to be able to do towels or your sheets while you're on the road and have that laundry. Now, something that's really cool about this Marathon that I love, look, the door closes, and that gives you more privacy in the bedroom so that you can have the privacy. If you have other family or friends in the front of the bus, this gives you your own separate bedroom. So now we are in this gorgeous bedroom, and it has updated sheets. These are really current colors. I love it with the cheetah fabric, and you see these wonderful cloth shades that come with the coach. There's cabinets on both sides. There's shelving on both sides as well of the bed. And then you have your controls on the side of the bed too that are really easy to access. I mean, Marathon thinks it all out. Now this coach has a really extra nice feature, and you can pull this down, and then you have a whole bench to be able to put on your shoes or whatnot when you're getting ready. And then you can also see in the bedroom, there's a wonderful Samsung television that's right here. And then this is your electronics cabinets that's all tucked away behind these doors. And that makes it really convenient to be able to access. And then there's just more storage, electronic storage and whatnot down here below. So lots of storage in this coach. Okay, something else that's really nice that Marathon does is there is a very tidy electronics cabinet with all your controls right here and easy to access. That makes it really nice for the owner, and they can come check at this whole power center, but this is where it's all done, and it's just really a great engineering marvel. Well, a great feature of this coach is it has a huge master closet, and not every coach has that. So if you're going to be traveling, you're going to want these kind of drawers that are lined, and you get a whole stack of them. And then don't forget, that is a huge bar in the closet where you can hang your dresses, suits, what have you, and it wraps all the way around. That is so much storage. Hey, look how this is hidden. I love this. Pull it down, and easy to access electronics. This bed is super comfortable. It will give you a quality night's sleep. And that's really important as you travel down the road. And then also, look at these wonderful lights that they have. If you want to read a book or what have you, catch up on your social media at night. You're ready to go. Hey, this is a beautiful ceiling treatment on this coach, and I love how it's lit with all the accent lights too.
Well, we're up here in the cockpit area, and this is this is what a guy loves, especially on a Prevost. It has all the modern conveniences and update screens here, but I'm kind of an old school guy. I really like these analog controls and dials, and I want to see what the temperature of the engine is. I want to see exactly how fast I'm going or what the RPMs are, and I like those analog controls. This is a very comfortable coach to drive to. You have great positioning over your steering wheel, and this seat is an air ride seat that goes up and down. You can see all the controls down through here to adjust it in every way you can imagine. It's really great. So also, as we move over here to this side panel, you can control your different AC units from here. You can even do your generator start, do your leveling on the coach. Here's your Allison transmission control panel, and then all these rocker switches for everything that's going on. You can tell what's on, what's off. It's a great setup for a great coach, and it's just a blast to drive. Guys, we hope you've enjoyed the tour of this Marathon. It is a beautiful coach.
Absolutely. So if you've enjoyed this tour, go ahead and subscribe and give us a like. Put something down in the comments if you want to see more of this. We'd love for you to be a part of our journey.